Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take selfies using a feature called FlexCam on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. The cover screen, also called a flexi window, can take selfies and or record videos. And to do it, you'll need to open the camera app from this widget. If you don't have this widget, first of all, you'll need to acknowledge that once you press and hold on the screen, you can swipe between different wallpapers. Once we understand that, you can open the phone. After pressing and holding on the cover screen, it'll go straight into the settings of the screen that you're currently on. Click on this shortcut in bottom right corner, then make sure to select the camera app. Now once it's done, from now on, you will be able to simply swipe that camera app towards the center of the screen. Now you can see it has opened the camera app. And you can do various things in here. You can swipe between different modes like portrait mode, photo mode, and video mode. To start a photo, portrait, or start a video, just tap. Also for the videos, you can just tap. It starts recording when you can see this red blinking around the cameras. And also you'll see red up here. Once you tap on the screen again, it finishes the recording. Now there are also way more things here. Like for example, zooming in. You can zoom in like that, but I honestly prefer to just simply click on this zoom option and select the type of zoom that I want. Like for example, 4x zoom. Then click on the screen to take the photo. If you click on these 4 dots, you can also do some other settings here. Like for example, you can disable the screen. Now you'll need to, you can see it is like that. If you disable it, then you'll simply be able to, you aren't able to click on the screen now. Now you need to click on the shutter icon. If you want to, you can press and hold on it, then move it to the other side of the screen. Now let's go back to these 4 dots, because you can also see some other things in there, like the flashlight. Okay, I forgot it's with that button. You can see the flashlight is there. It doesn't use this flashlight because it is quite strong and it may like affect your eyes, so it's not that good. Instead it'll use the screen for the flashlight. Now there's also the timer. You can select the aspect ratio, and you can select the resolution. For video, instead of resolution, there will be quality and frame rate. Now let's go back to the photo. You'll also see things like moving photo, but that's only available in 12 megapixels, which means that when you take a photo, it records also a few seconds after taking the photo. So when you go to the gallery, when you press and hold on that photo, it actually plays the video out of that photo. But you need to actually view it in the gallery app when the phone is opened, because otherwise you won't be able to view the motion photo. Now there's also some color modes, which is also great, and some other things like this one, which can let you set the color to natural or warm. Now that will be about it for the camera app here, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.